Okay, we're back. I'm just going to turn the car on. Not on, but not start it. But maybe that'll open that valve or something. The valve's on, or I don't know if that opens a valve or I can't start it because it'll just suck the smoke in there. There's the gas cap. I don't know. Got me boggled. It could be a part, an actual part that's triggering it. Maybe an update of the computer. I don't know. Okay, we'll disconnect the smoke for now. Got a text. You're awesome, Lorraine. You're awesome, Lorraine. Thank you so much for letting me know. I appreciate it. I appreciate you. I hope you're having a great weekend as well. Okay. Sorry about that. Oh, we were trying to make something before. We go into the gas. Again, the other kit came with adapters, and I should have got them. You really should have. You got to find a place to plug into. So, let's go this way. Let me go in. did something for you. I don't know. What? You want to go outside? Oh, it's part of the vibrating deal. So one of the things that we have. Part of the.
What is this big box for?
That is that got a part for the excavator in it. It's a bucket. A big bucket. Okay. I'm kind of in the way here. That's what we did. You can see that or not. Kind of a creative way of doing it, let's just say that. And then got the trusty power pack for the 12 volts. There we go. Working. You think? And there we go. We should have smoke going in the gas tank. You can see it's not a perfect fit. So we know it's working. Again, I should have got the ones with the right caps and everything. Regretting that now. But obviously it was more money. Now, let's see. We have that open. You would think smoke would start to come out of there. Especially if it's a check valve that only goes one way. Because that's open, obviously. It's pressurizing the tank, so let's see if we got any smoke coming from those. Those would be probably better to connect to, but they're really hard to get to. I mean, I don't know how you get to them. Let's venture into the car again. See, obviously, the two are separated. That's vacuum. I mean, that runs the brake booster. So, I don't get it. And we know it's producing smoke. We know it's producing smoke. We got smoke here. It's not a tight fit, obviously. We do have smoke coming from somewhere in here. Oh, I thought we did. It could be just the light playing tricks on me. No. No, I see smoke somewhere, don't you? You see smoke? Again, could be, yeah, it's probably that. That doesn't help. Let's see. Let's go under here. See if we. Obviously, we know that's coming from there. But let's see. We know that. Again, I wish I would have got the right. Anytime there's more tools. Let's see what's going on in here. Yeah, I don't think that's any of those components. I just don't think so. It's hard to say because we have smoke going in there. Yeah, I don't see any smoke coming from there. I know, this kind of, learn from my mistake. When you're buying the smoke machine, hyper smoke, buy the one with all the attachments. Why it's not coming out of there, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I hate to say this, might be a dealer deal. Let's go under the car. Maybe we can see something under here. Yeah. And there are the vacuum lines that head to the back. If they were going to be leaking, it'd be leaking right there. Or somewhere in this vicinity. I just don't know.